Hello everyone. Today I will be going through the onboarding guide for SendGrid. There are a few steps that we'll need to go through today, but the very first step that we'll need to do is to completely set up and configure our DMARC record. The reason why we need to do this is to enhance the deliverability of your email and stop your email from arriving inside your recipient spam folder. So the first thing that we need to do is we'll need to log in to our hosting provider and locate our DNS record. In this case, I'm using GoDaddy for my domain. So what you need to do is, the first thing is to go to your products. If you're using GoDaddy, click on it, and then select the domain that you want to manage your DNS record. So click on Manage, and then proceed to Domain. Go to Manage DNS, and under your domain portfolio, you will see your DNS records here. So every domain provider will look slightly different, but at the end of the day, the main important thing is to locate your DNS records and add a new record. So what you need to do is, under your type, locate txt, and then name it as underscore DMARC. Under your value, include the following information. RUA equal mail to, and then this would be where you include your email address. So as an example, I could just put hello@codigo.life. To make it more accurate, I could also include PCT 100. Okay, and then you could just keep this as half an hour as you wish. And once you're done with this, you just click on Save. And it will update your DNS record. So if you look here, you have already created a DMARC record. So this would actually help to enhance the deliverability of your email. So now that you're done with this, what you need to do is to create a SendGrid account. So under your SendGrid account, you could start for free, which will open up your sign up page and just fill in the details. Okay, and you'll be logged into your SendGrid account. The next thing that you need to do is to retrieve your API key from your settings. This would allow you to integrate with Reserve for our email. So click on Settings and click on API Keys. And once you're here, create API key. So click on API key and then have the full access. So click on full access. But remember to name your API key name. So for example, you might want to name it as email and then click on create and view. Okay, so now you copy your key and go back to your business portal. Under your settings, marketing integration, connect to your SendGrid. So click on connect and then paste your SendGrid API key here. and then click on Connect. So after you've connected, what you need to do is to copy and add this endpoint URL into your SendGrid webhook. So click on this button and go back to your SendGrid dashboard and then open Settings and go to Mail Settings. So here you would see your webhook settings, and what you need to do is to click on Events Webhook, click on Create New Webhook, and this is when you can paste your post URL. You don't have to name it. So what you can do here is to just click on all of your options under your engagement data. So your open, clicked, unsubscribed, spam reports, group unsubscribes, group resubscribes, and also to tick all of your options under your deliverability data. So your processed, dropped, deferred, bounced, and delivered. And once you're done with this, you can click on Save. So this is how you create a SendGrid account and integrate it with your Reserve Business Portal. So if you like, you can actually send a test email to check. So click on Send Test Email. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you again for our next tutorial. Bye bye.